I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm magic. I gotta pick myself up from the dirty mud, 'cause I've had enough. Now I'm only feeling love. Took so many.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here, and if you are new, push that subscribe button right now. I am hooking y'all up. So we have just entered the spring season. I know some of you guys are thinking about dyeing your hair, but before you damage it, y'all already know I'm gonna say try a wig. Try a wig. This wig, oh my goodness, do you see this? The color, the boldness, the sheen, everything about it, y'all. It's so soft right out of the package. The hairline looks beautiful. You don't have to do any work to it if you don't desire to, but of course you can always customize it. Right now I'm showing you all the unit on the mannequin head, baby hair, and everything. This is a 13x4 lace frontal highlight wig, so it's gonna have 4 inches of parting space. I also got mine in length 22 and the density is 180. Before installing my wigs, I do like to co-wash, so I'm going to be using the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. I'm also currently showing you all 2 detangling brushes that I like to use. I'll try to link both in the description box. Now that I've rinsed the hair, I'm going to begin applying the conditioner to the hair, detangling it, and then I'm going to proceed to add my styler and define the curls. I'll allow you all to watch this process and then I'll come back on in a moment.
You never expected for me to be something with a foot on my back. Believe me that I am becoming better than that. There ain't no stopping me now. You'll never knock me down. No, I'm at the top of the world. There ain't no stopping this girl. Bam, bam, be damn, I'm solid gold. You cannot break me, not anymore. You try to bend me, but I won't fold. You cannot break me. I'm solid gold. I'm solid gold. Pushing and pulling, but you ain't gonna wear me down. 'Cause nothing, no nothing can stop me from leaving the ground. I feel the thunder in my body now. You're gonna hear me screaming out.
So now that I've applied my stylers and defined the curls, I also like to go in and coil the ends. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm using the mousse in order to do this. Now this unit is in the kinky curly texture, and I have several units from Nadula in the kinky curly texture and I love them. But because this is a highlight unit, the texture is slightly looser than normal. So you may have to take a bit more time when coiling it around your finger in order to get the perfect curl that you're looking for. So I'm going to continue this process, allow the hair to air dry overnight, and then I'm going to try it on.
Bam, bam, be damn, I'm solid gold. You cannot break me, not anymore. You try to bend me, but I won't fold. You cannot break me. I'm solid gold.
Alright y'all, so now that the unit has had time to air dry overnight, this is what it's looking like. I'm super excited to try it on, but before I do so, I do need to tint the lace, and I'm going to do so using my Ruby Kiss 3D Face Creator. I'll try to remember to put the color down below as well, and after I complete this process, I'm going to cut the lace off in the front, and then I'll come back on.
I told him we already up. Yeah. Does that feel good? Does that feel good right here? Yeah. Back on her, saying got a lot of dreams, lift me up, so I can kiss the good life, live in love. Feel like the 1st and 15th for the month, I got to live it up, yeah, for the rest of my life.
Alright y'all, so now that we've cut the lace off, it's time to try her on. The hair coiled so nicely on the ends, and this color against my skin tone, oh my, I cannot wait. So I'm going to put on a skin tone stocking cap first, and then I'm going to proceed to also tint the stocking cap to ensure that it's the same color as my skin tone. And I'm using the same concealer in order to do so, but you can also use your foundation in order to do this. Alright y'all, now it's time to put the wig on. Now this one is a little different. She's spicy. This wig is for the girls who are trying to be a little extra, trying to get their groove back, trying to do all the things. Do you all see how good this looks against dark skin? If you followed my channel for a while, you know that I would not wear color much at all. But the moment I tried one blonde wig, and I think it might have been from Nadula, I had to try more. And y'all, you've been doing it wrong. If you've been wearing your wigs and going through all of these extra extensive processes like me sometime, then you need to try a lace grip. I tried one of these in the past, but I don't think I fully committed to it because I don't think I installed it right. But this time around, I decided to try it again with this particular unit. It lays so flush to the head that I felt like this would be the perfect unit to do this with. It also already comes with an elastic band attached. And this one is one that you can also detach, which is really cool. And it's adjustable. So I'm going to tighten it as tight as I possibly can. And you can adjust it based on the size of your head. I have an average size head, so I wanted it to be as tight as possible. So I'm just going to tighten it all the way. And then I'm going to proceed to put the unit back on. And I'm showing you all right now what it looks like after adjusting it. I'm also showing you how secure this thing is. This unit also comes with adjustable straps. Most units come with these. Just something to note, if you get a unit that has an adjustable strap like this, then you can also tighten your units using those as well. All right, so let's put on the lace grip first. I actually found mine on Amazon and I believe it comes in 2 other colors. I'll try to link this below as well. For beginners who haven't used this before, there is a Velcro attachment in the back to keep it secure. So I'm just securing it in the back and then I'm going to proceed to put the unit on, and it's going to keep it from slipping. When I put the unit on, I was like, okay, this is really awesome. This actually works. So right now I'm just showing you all the process. I pulled the elastic band down over the curved part of my head first. And then after doing that, I realized that this unit was very secure and fitted to my head, and I knew it was going to be amazing. The combination of using an elastic band and the lace grip is genius. This method is so good. I saw someone doing this on TikTok and I was like, ooh, I need to try that one of my units, and it works so well. So after you have the elastic band secure, also make sure to insert those combs in the back. And at this point, you can even tighten the elastic band as needed. So now I'm going to make sure the unit is positioned where I desire it to be. I'm also going to ensure that I don't have any of the baby hair tucked under the lace. This is also going to ensure that it's really flush to the head. And then I'm going to proceed to fluff it. Y'all, I love how flat this is. This is so beginner friendly. With the middle part, I love that you don't have to worry about the sides. So you're not having to manipulate an entire frontal if you don't desire to. You can just leave that as is, or you can even add bobby pins if you want to. So now I'm going to show you all how to lay the baby hair in a natural way using the Nairobi mousse. I'm just going to apply it, and there's really no strategy to applying it. You just want to apply it along the hairline, rub it in. Mine came out way too crazy, but just rub it in, and you can put it just in the middle. You can apply it to the sides if you want. This is going to cause the lace to melt, and then you want to apply a scarf, or you can use a band. Allow the hairline to set for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when you remove it, the lace is going to look even flatter and the hairline is going to look even more natural. So right now I'm going to fluff the hair and I'll come back on once we're finished.
Hey, came in, look smooth, breaking all the rules. Now we ain't never gonna lose. Look at how we came through, sipping that juice. A little bit get you in the mood state. I can do this all night long. Say DJs play my song, live it like it's my last. So keep running that back. Hey, I know you can't believe, but right here's the place to be. I got everything I need, so ain't nothing you can take from me. And they can't believe, just put it on my tab. We running all right back, and you know right where it's at, run it back to back. Hey, where you at? I bring it back down. I like that. It's back to back now. Hey, just like that. Come on, I bring it back now. I like that. It's back to back now. Play too cool, elevate my mood. Mama ain't raised no fool. Step side, just let me cut right through. Let me make my move straight from the back. Move through the pack. Feeling like a man, write it down on cash.
Y'all can't tell me this doesn't look phenomenal, and the color is everything. The cool thing about this method is if the wind were to blow, because your edges are somewhat exposed, you should still be okay. You could pin down the lace using a bobby pin, and that will make it more secure on the side, but this is just so easy and quick to do. In a moment, I'm going to show you all what it looks like if you actually use an adhesive, but let me change my outfit and show you all the full look.
They gon' like this? It feel good? Yeah. I'm a super saiyan. Damn, baby, like my name was Goku. Feeling too good, real good, yeah, I'm so true. Remember bad days used to have, yeah, I felt blue. Now I'm up high in the sky like, ooh, ooh. Mama said if I want it, I need to have a plan. Get up that corner, see the world, boy, you the man. And if I show you the steps, I think you'll understand. Slide left, move right, now you dancing, man. Nah, 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 nah. I think you need to relax. Nah, 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 nah. You do that, you'll catch all the checks. Yeah! Take it easy. That's what I'ma do. Take it easy. Show you how.
So this is what it looks like after applying the bedhead spray. For those who do not desire to wear the unit completely glueless, then this is an option. You can just spray it in the middle and you're good. Now I'm going to show you all a quick style, and then I'm going to show you all what it looks like with the side part, and then we're going to be finished with the tutorial.
2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, can you do it like this? 7, 8, and don't be late now. Now, everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on.
Like a 9 to 5, let me see you work. Like a 9 to 5, let me see you work. Work that, work that. Like a 9 to 5, show me work, work.
Feel so good, I've been working it out. Now let the haters try talk, I've been drowning them out. Go ahead, get the work in, wide out. Hit me with the low fee, I need a higher amount. Get it one more time, 3, 6, 5. This throwback here for the 9-9. Knees to your thighs, reach for the sky. Ain't no PTO time, I'm just trying to get the work, 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 work. 1, 2, show 'em how we do.
All right, y'all, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you all love this hair as much as I do. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know if you all like the middle part better, the side part, the updo. I cannot wait to hear what you all think. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial.